Helpful for life.
All right, now part one of this delicious pork dinner. We gotta season the pork. So we've got our 4 beautiful pork chops here, as you can see in my best Vanna White impression. And we're gonna keep it real simple. We're just gonna do a little bit of salt. And pepper. And then I'm going to flip them over and get the other side too. Let me just grab a fork real quick. That fork, yes. And then I'll flip these pork chops over. And then I'll add that salt and pepper to the other side. Here's some more pepper. You know what they say about pepper? Me neither. And now that we've got our pork all seasoned, let's get it to the skillet. Got a nice little coating of oil on the bottom. This guy's heating up nicely. Oh yeah. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. And the pork we're gonna let sit about 3 minutes each side. So let's give that a little bit of time. Okay, this pork's looking pretty good. Let's give it a little flip. Oh yeah, look at that. Getting a little bit of browning on that. Should be very delicious. I'm gonna turn this heat down a little bit. Seems a little high. So this pork is looking pretty good. And so the way you can tell the pork is done is one, it's no longer pink. It's got that white color to it. You can also take a little finger to it and kind of poke it and see how firm it is. Now the best way to do it is to take a internal temperature probe to it. Internal temperature probe. But we're not going to do that today because we like to live on the wild side. So we are going to just go ahead and take these bad boys out so we can start working on our pan sauce. So let me just go ahead and grab a plate for those. Look at the beautiful color on these bad boys.